guys, welcome back to my channel. I want to show you quickly the items I'm going to work with for this video, and I want you to see how they look before I start transforming them in some way. And I'm still not sure if I'm going to use the frame that is on the left or the one that is on the right. That's why I'm showing you both, but I'm only going to use one. So I'll see you in a while. Well, my items are all ready, but first I want to start with a bonus, something I was just preparing and I thought I would share it with you. But please stay till the end so you will see what I did with the items I've showed you before. I had this vase that I found on the dumpster and I decorated it for Christmas. I have to paint the walls again, but I did it in a way that I knew I was going to be able to use it for the rest of the year. And I'm going to decorate this side. I have a red candle during the holiday season, but now I'm going to add this succulent that is from Dollar Tree. I'm going to add it here so I can use it for spring. And as you can see, I've already traced the word peace, and I hope I will be able to paint it with a white marker, otherwise I will have to use a black one, but let's see. Of course it needs another coat of white. I have to let this dry. You see, when I trace it all over again, they look whiter. So that's what I'm going to do. But I'm going to stop right now and finish it later. But I think it looks really good. And when it's finished, it's going to look much better. And I'm going to use this. This is also from the dumpster. It's a half of topiary. I have the other part that comes inserted in here, but in this case I'm going to use it this way, and at the end of the video I'm going to show you how it looks from the front for you to have a better idea. So this is the bonus I have. Now let's move on to the main DIY. You remember I had this frame. I painted it black, sorry, it was silver, and I told you I was not sure which of the two frames I show you I was going to use. I chose this one, which is from Dollar Tree, and it was brown like you see here, so I dry brushed it with a soft gray that I made mixing black and white, regular acrylic. So now I'm going to place a picture here. First, the glass. Very carefully. Like so. It has one of these flaps missing, but doesn't matter. I'm going to place this picture and the back. I'm going to close it very quickly, and here you have it. Now what I'm going to do is, you remember this piece, kind of palette from Dollar Tree? I cut it in half. I painted it white on one side, of course, because the other side is not going to be seen. So I'm going to adhere this to the frame like so, this way. I think this is more or less the half I am eyeballing. So I'm going to add some hot glue. Maybe I will have to add some E6000 later. I don't know. So let's wait and see if it's enough. So this is very simple, very quick and easy. Put this down for a minute for the glue to dry. And let's turn it over. And now, well, I have to clean this later. I'm going to add the frame, and I really love the effect. Honestly, I love it. So, oh, the hot glue. I'm going to add more hot glue here and here to add the frame. I'm trying for it to be center. I'm going to turn it around and hold it in place. And I'm going to add more hot glue just to be sure that it stays in place. As usual, the stick runs out when you need it the most. Now let's add more here. I want to be really generous with the hot glue because I don't want this to get unglued and fall. I always had problem with fall and fell. So excuse my poor English sometimes. Let's see if I have enough here. I prefer to add more and be on the safe side. I'm going to add glue also on this part where the palette meets the frame, and on this side too. So that would be it. I'm going to fold this anyway. Don't think it's going to help much, but well. And then I have to remove these flaps because I'm not going to use them. But for now, you have the idea of what I was trying to achieve. And voila! Here you have it, upside down. I love the look upside down, but I love how it looks this way better. So it's a very simple, very quick, and I think it's really elegant and kind of unique. You can add something if you want. Maybe if you want some farmhouse style, you can add a burlap ribbon bow here or buffalo check, but I like how it looks this way. Well, these are my items finished. This video is part of the monthly challenge Chic for Cheap that is hosted by Christi Creates. I will leave the link to her channel in the description box, as well as the link to the playlist with all the videos entered in this challenge. Please visit her channel and the videos in the playlist. If you like this video, please give me a thumbs up, subscribe if you haven't done it already, and ring the bell to be notified whenever I upload a new video. Thank you so much to Christi for hosting this challenge, Thank you so much also to all of you for watching. Hope to see you in my next video, and have a wonderful, wonderful day. Bye bye.